So today we're trying for the first time Panda Express.
Let's do this.
I'm so excited.
I love Chinese food.
Okay, so we got some cheese rangoon, some fortune cookies. We got the bigger plate, some sweet and sour chicken. Oh my god, so cute.
I know.
Now let's open this up. Give me a minute.
Whoa. So we got chow mein, orange chicken, honey sesame chicken, and then the sweet and sour chicken, and the rangoon. Okay, let's try the crab rangoon.
Cheesy.
Could use a bit more filling,
Mm-hmm.
but you see the cheese.
And where's the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad, but I feel like it should have more filling.
Mm-hmm. But it's not bad.
Mm-hmm. Sweet and sour
so
pork is
cute.
my fave.
Let's
So,
try which one?
the orange chicken.
The orange chicken first. Tangy. Some chow mein.
Now for the sesame chicken.
Mmm.
I kind of like this one better than the orange chicken.
Yeah. Oh my god, this one's so good. Sorry, I just had to take a bite of these noodles because they're actually so good. I love it.
Now for the sweet and sour pork.
My fave. But so far, I feel like the sesame one wins.
I'm so happy I got this.
Like, they definitely got a loyal customer now. And I can never finish this on my own. This is a share meal. This is a twin meal.
Sesame chicken, because that was my favorite. If there's anything else you guys recommend, let us know. We have to finish it off with the fortune cookie. Too bad they only gave one. Hey,
No fortune?
I'll create my own fortune.
Period.